How to make money online today with print on demand. Are you looking into starting a print on demand store? So you have no money upfront, absolutely no cost for inventory, and you just pay for a t-shirt when someone pays for it. That's literally a great idea because you leverage other people's money. You take their money, you buy it low, sell it high. How cool is that? Well, you can do it with 6 websites that we'll go over in this video. This is no BS tutorial. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. And me and my team are free video editors. We try to produce over 3 videos every single day. No one is doing that. We're here to take over the niche. So if you appreciate that, make sure you subscribe. And if you're new, you can start by also liking the video because it helps us with the YouTube algorithm, and that's not really easy. It's a struggle. And I can shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment your Instagram username, TikTok username, YouTube account, or just something cool down below. I'll take it, put it in the shout out jar, and shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. So as I said, we'll go over 6 websites. The first website that I want to show you that has a print-on-demand business model is actually Printful. So Printful, and you can see links for all of this in the description down below, is a website that says you can start an online store without inventory, basically what we're looking for. Sell custom clothing, accessories, and home decor products without inventory or upfront costs. You can get started, and there's some stats on why you should do that. They have a lot of shipping facilities, so the shipping time should be a little bit faster. It says that you can launch your store in just 5 steps. You just sign up, it's free, then you see your target audience, you create your store, fill your store with products, and start selling. I should actually probably start some merch that I really want to do. I have some designs in mind, and maybe I should use Printful. The second option is actually teepublic. The interesting thing about teepublic is you have masks, you have different designs, you have home goods, wall art, notebooks, mugs, cases, phone case. How cool is that? I gotta replace mine. Probably not with this one, but you can definitely make really cool ones for your YouTube channel, and they're not that expensive. Like 25 bucks is cheaper than an Apple one, right? If you have an iPhone. The third website is actually Printify. Again, you can see all of them in the description and the first comment below this video. And here you just add your design, simple as that, and sell. They print, they ship. You don't have to do anything. And they have seamless store integration with Shopify if you are a Shopify user. Me personally, I prefer WordPress because it's easier to SEO, and I'm really into free traffic sources, but you probably want to start with Shopify, especially if you're new. So you can just click start selling and you start today, as they say, for free. The next, number 4, we have apliiq.com. I know it's a little bit hard, but there's probably a reason for that. It's your brand. Discover a trusted partner to start and grow your brand. So you can export styles. Let's say we click on this one. You have different t-shirt styles. For example, you can choose the color. Then you can just click design t-shirt. For example, if you go on this one, and we can upload our artwork and easily start selling there, and even see how it would look on a female or on a male, and you can see the front, right, left, back. Simple as that. Option number 5, customcat. Customcat and all of these apps, they have Shopify plugins, so it's super easy. It's so easy to install and start selling this. I will probably by the end of this video skip my idea to have a WordPress site and just do a Shopify store with print on demand business model. Empowering entrepreneurs, print on demand for business. Here are 4 options. How it works: it basically has, you create a customcat account, then you connect your stores, obviously, upload designs into your design library, choose products to customize. You can have masks, mugs, t-shirts. Masks, super trending right now. Market your store to increase sales. Obviously, there are so many videos on that on my channel, and you just keep the profit, the margin. The difference between the price you buy it for, the price you sell it for. Here's the last option, option number 6, lulu.com. You can build your own bookstore. They have a bunch of options here. I know this is a t-shirt video, but you can be very lateral and actually decide on doing some other stuff for your merch store, because if you just want to design add some cool comics, some cool, funny, catchy phrases, types of t-shirts. You can actually do it on notebooks or calendars or yearbooks, and you can do that with a site like Lulu. So that's just one more idea. I know you didn't want it, but you might consider it. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like again and subscribe if you're new. Remember that a video day keeps the doctor away by the end of this video, that this is not financial or medical advice. Do your own due diligence, results can vary, and check one of these videos out. See you next one, bye.